right, y'all. We got Bun B in the house today, baby.
Yeah.
Y'all already know Trill Burger, baby, all the way. Let's go with 2 sticks of butter now.
1 pound of alligator.
2 pounds of crawfish, baby.
Let's get it. Put a little blackened seasoning.
And that Cajun seasoning, baby. You already know.
Don't be stingy.
That's it. Now go up on it with that Trinity, baby. All right, y'all. Bun B done took over the grill. He knows a thing or two now.
I might have watched an episode or two. All right, now you're in there 2 pounds of pasta.
16 ounces, y'all. Heavy whipping cream, baby. Go with it. 3 bags of that Parmesan cheese now. Go ahead on hit it with that fresh pasta. So same seasonings from earlier, go ahead and hit it again.
And make sure you hit it with a little lemon now.
All right, y'all. Check it out.
That ain't looking right. Oh, yeah. That's a Trill meal for you right there. Hold up.